So, hi everyone. Thank you for joining me here again. The painting that decided itself what it was going to do from my previous video. It didn't listen to anything that I had planned. It just had a mind of its own. And I love when those creative juices just start to pour out. Just let yourself go. Do what your intuition is telling you to do. That is when you have the most fun. That is when you create the most beautiful pieces for you. At least that's for me. That's when I have fun. When I come to my table and I have a plan, right? Because we don't just stand here and, you know, do A, B, C. This is something completely different. I come with a plan of what I'm going to do. I plan it out all day. I choose my colors. And when I get to the table, things change. You look at a color and immediately your mind starts thinking of other things to do. And that's what happened with my previous video. I had already decided that I was going to use my leftover paints. I was going to do this rec. I was going to do a swipe. None of that happened because as I stood here, watched the colors that I had on my table, something else clicked. So the results, you saw them. I'm going to show you the painting once it dries. So just give yourself to create, to the process, to the changes, and enjoy it because that's the best ride. This is why I love doing and working with these flow kind of technique, because you're not encased to creating a specific picture. Is abstract, is different, is freedom. And that really makes me happy and allows me just to enjoy the journey and create whatever comes to my mind, whatever color palettes I choose. I'm not aiming to have anything perfect. I'm just having fun with it. And you, in your journey, just have fun with it. Give into the creative gods, if you want to call that, and enjoy the process. It's the most fun you can have. If I remember, I am going to show you at the end of this video a couple of cards that I've been making. Yes, I've been taking on a different kind of hobby, if you want to say. And I've been creating beautiful Christmas cards and special occasion cards. So I'll link some in the at the end of this video so you can take a look at them and see how beautiful they are. So we're going to go ahead and continue on to my next piece. I am working on a round. I already have it pre-flooded with my black base. So I'm just going to go ahead and layer the Amsterdam paints on them. I'm trying to create something special and pretty. But I'm not going to tell you anything else. Meet me down at the canvas. So like I said, my canvas is pre-flooded. I'm just going to torch out the air bubbles. And I figure I just cut this step out because it's the same. And it's a smaller canvas. So we're just gonna make sure my edges are covered. And I am working with the pearl colors. So I'm gonna be starting with Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. And this is gonna be a small piece. That's why I didn't show much. So I want to see how I want to do this. So I think I'm going to come here and just like that. Okay. Pearl Violet. Now I have Pearl Blue. So Pearl Blue. I'm going to wiggle it around like that. Now I have Pearl Yellow, and they're all Amsterdam. So Pearl Yellow. And I'm doing kind of that design just to get the colors to go all over the place. Now I have Pearl Red. I have pearl green. So I'm using all of them. I want this to be a colorful piece. Hopefully all of them show up. Okay. I need to do some more at the bottom here. Okay. And last I have pearl white. So pearl white. Okay. And I'm going to add a little more pearl red to the bottom here. Okay. All right, so that's it for those colors. So I'm going to torch it out. And I'm going to get started. Like that. Okay, so I'm happy with what I see, and I am going to let it dry and see how it turns out. You won't see these colors. They do show up as white. You'll see them later when they dry. Okay, so that looks good. I'll bring you in for a close-up. We'll be back. Okay, everyone, so here she is, and she's a beauty. And from here, you can see some of the colors already showing up. You can see that red, the blue. Let me try my flash on, see. Okay, there you go. So look at the cells, beautiful cells. You can see some of that red, green, shining through that petal right there. See the blue? And look at the green, the red. Check out those beautiful bordering colors here. And you can see that blanket of the shimmer coming from that yellow. Look at the streaks there of colors. Beautiful, beautiful piece. So there it is. Tell me what you think. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment. Share it. Message me. What would you like to see next? I love how this round piece turned out. It was a little one, but a mighty one. Beautiful piece. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for joining me at Float Arts by Elsa. Have a great day. Be creative. Don't forget, let those juices flow. Enjoy the process. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.